Here's problem 3. This says, Hakup has 6 pennies in a bowl. Sorry, let me get my highlighter for y'all. Hakup has 6 pennies in a bowl. 9, this number is 9. 9 pennies are in his drawer. How many pennies does Hakup have in all? So we're trying to find out how many he's got in all. Explain how you know with a labeled math drawing and a number sentence. Then complete the statement. Listen again. Hakup has 6 pennies in a bowl. 9 pennies are in his drawer. How many does he have in all? Explain how you know with a labeled math drawing and a number sentence. Then don't forget to complete the statement. So you've got to show me a math drawing that has his pennies in a bowl and a drawer. Make sure you have them labeled. Then show me a number sentence and complete the statement. Tell me how many pennies Hakup has in all with a drawing and a number sentence. Don't forget to label.